Engineers amplify their impact by using the Moderne platform to apply OpenRewrite recipes to thousands of repositories at once. To help orient you to Moderne, let's walk through how to run a recipe on some open source projects that we have imported into the platform. By default, a small diverse group of repositories are selected for you to run recipes against. You can change this selection by clicking on the Organization button and selecting the organization that meets your needs. For this demo, I'll select the Netflix plus Spring organization. You can navigate to the recipes through the marketplace, or easily search for them. Today, we're going to run the Common Static Analysis Issues recipe, so let's find it in the search. This particular recipe is designed to fix static analysis issues that are typically reported by your static analysis tools. It's a long laundry list of code cleanup recipes combined together. To start the recipe, click the Dry Run button. Now that the recipe is running on the repositories, let's take note of a few things. First of all, you could see a summary of the recipe run in real time, tracking when the recipe run started, how much developer time is saved, how many files have been searched, and so on. Next, we can see examples of the changes the recipe is making to each repository. On the left side, you can click on any repository to see the changes made. If you're unsure why something was changed, you can click on the three dots above the code and select "Why did this change?" In this example, we can see that the final modifier was added to the class because the class only has private constructors. Once you've confirmed you want to make the changes, the next course of action is to commit the changes back to the repositories. You can select one, a handful, or all of the changes and commit them as aligned with your organization's practices. For example, you can commit directly, create a new branch or fork for the changes, or just create a pull request. When you commit a change from Moderne, it shows up with your Git ID as well as a Moderne tag that indicates the change was an auto-remediation. Now, let's wrap up by reviewing the final summary of the recipe run. We searched through 86,000 files in 142 repositories. 11,950 of those files had changes made to them. This took Moderne a little over 5 minutes to find and fix all of those issues. The estimated developer time saved is 588 hours. There's no time to waste. Get started with Moderne. To learn more about running recipes, check out our documentation.